My dear Islamic brothers, think to yourself and remember how long are we going to live in this world for? We are going to be buried. Imagine that day when we'll be lying on our bed. All the family will be gathered around us. Your son, your brother, your father, your sister. Close your eyes and just imagine at that time. What will happen to us at that time? All the family will be gathered around. Your brother, your sister, your mother. They will all be gathered around. And then they will say that he's not even breathing properly. Imagine, close your eyes and think to yourself. What will happen when the angel of death, he comes to us? And then there will be a cry. He's not breathing, he's breathing heavily. And the angel of death, he comes and he takes your soul away. And you will be put inside that dark grave where no one will come and rescue you. My dear Islamic brothers, how many times have we ever thought about that? And then when we will be buried inside the dark grave, what will happen to us there? My dear Islamic brothers, listen, that dark grave will be so frightening, will be so terrifying, that a person when he is buried inside the grave, is if he is a sinner, he will cry out for help. No one will help him. قبر روزانہ یہ کرتی ہے پکار, مجھ میں ہے کیڑے مکوڑے بے شمار, یاد رکھ میں ہوں اندھیری کوٹڑی, تجھ کو ہوگی سن مجھ میں وحشت بڑی. You're going to be scared. میرے اندر تو اکیلا آئے گا, ہاں مگر اعمال لیتا آئے گا. You're not going to take no money with you. You're not going to take that qualification you have in this world with you. You're going to take your deeds with you. نرم بستر گھر پر ہی رہ جائیں گے. تجھ کو فرش خواب پر دفنائیں گے. جب اندھیری قبر میں تو جائے گا, روئے گا, چلائے گا, گھبرائے گا. You're going to be scared. You're going to call out to your friends. You're going to call out to your brothers, your sisters. No one is going to come and help you. کام مال ازر وہاں نہ آئے گا. غافل انسان یاد رکھ پچھتائے گا. You're going to be thinking to yourself, what did I do in my life? Did I just waste my life? جب تیرے ساتھی تجھے چھوڑ جائیں گے, قبر میں کیڑے بدن کو کھائیں گے, قبر میں تیرا کفن پھٹ جائے گا. یاد رکھ, نازک بدن پھٹ جائے گا. This beautiful body you have, insects will be eating away your body. تیرا ایک بال تک جڑ جائے گا. We spend hours and hours standing in front of the mirror trying to make a good hairstyle. تیرا ایک بال جڑ جائے گا. خوبصورت جسم سڑ جائے گا. آنکھ ابل کر آنکھ بھی بہ جائے گی. کھال اگڑ کر قبر میں رہ جائے گی. سانپ بچھو قبر میں گرا گئے. We don't think about that, do we? We think that we are in this world, we're going to live forever, we're not going to die. Do whatever you want. Do whatever you want, my dear Islamic brothers. But remember, that day will come when your mother, who loved you so much in the dunya, she will say to your father, she will say to your brothers, please hurry up quickly, take him and bury him. Saap bichu qabr mein ghar aa gaye. Think about that. Scorpions and snakes, when they come inside your grave, saap bichu qabr mein ghar aa gaye. Kya karega beamal kar kha gaye. जगह जी लगाने की दुनिया नहीं है, ये इबरत की जा है, तमाशा नहीं है. अजल ने किसरा ही छोड़ा नजारा, इसी से सिकंदर सा पाते बिहारा. हर एक लेके क्या क्या न हसरत सदारा. Everyone had plans. We all had plans. We all had these wishes. This is what I'm going to do when I graduate. This is what I'm going to do. But we never know if we're going to reach to that status as well. पड़ा रह गया सब यूं ही ठाट सारा. जगह जी लगाने की दुनिया नहीं है, ये इबरत की जा है, तमाशा नहीं है. प्यारे इस्लामी भाइयों, open your eyes. This is what the message of Dawat-e-Islami is. We only have a few days. One day, yesterday, that's past, that's gone. That's your past. You are in the present. Do whatever you want today. You don't know if you're going to see the future or not. So please, I request you, I join my hands in front of you. Please, for your future, for the future of our Muslims, for the future of our younger generation who is growing up in this country. Save yourself and try to save them as well. My dear Islam brothers, and the way we will save these children is alhamdulillah by coming to the masjid, by filling these masjids. Look around you. Look around you today. See how many brothers there are in the masjid. This is what we want for every namaz. This is what Dawat-e-Islami wants us from every namaz.